My people, you know, well done. My name is Dr. Toyin. September 26 now World Contraception Day. But you sabi say one strong gist day about birth control when many people know they talk. Abeg no waka comot, make you stay to the end, make you hear wetin fit change how you dey take plan your life. Almost half belle where people they carry for this world, they no plan am. You don't hear so? Half. That means say plenty family they get wahala when they no prepare for. The World Contraception Day start for 2007, so everybody fit get correct information and choose when they want born pikin. But it get some strong birth control where they work pass, but nobody they yarn am. But if you stay tuned, you go hear am. Make I tell you some things when they true. 1. Birth control no dey spoil person womb. 2. You no need boyfriend or girlfriend before you talk to your doctor. And 3. Even men sef, dem fit do this birth control, not be only woman. Make we drop any birth control yarn when you don't hear for comment section. Make we scatter the fake gist together. Later I go talk the number 1 lie when even some health workers still believe. Now you go choose wetin your body fit take and how you want take am. You see, birth control, e get pill, e get condom, e get implant, e get coil, plenty choice dey. But you don't hear of the one wey fit last 10 years and you no go even remember say e dey. Make you still watch, make I tell you. You see that 10-year birth control, then they call am IUD or copper coil. Now one small thing when they go put for your womb, but it dey work 99% and you fit get am for years. Many people still dey fear am because of old gist. This World Contraception Day na to give you choice. Make you talk to your nurse or doctor. Get your own information. Then make you share this video. Make your paddy them sabi am too. Now your body, now your future, now your decision. So today, make you yarn at least one friend or family member about contraception. You go shock plenty people with this gist. If you like this video, I beg share am. Make sure say you subscribe to the channel because it's day free. And don't forget to yarn us about contraception when you don't know or wait till you don't hear. Make we tell you the real thing. And until next time, smile because it's day healthy. Bye bye you.